Yo, who?
All right, you guys. We have been challenged by MyKing from MHCrew, the original, the TheJJMHCrew, to belch. How many belches can you do in 1 minute? All right, we're going to try how many belches we can do in 1 minute. He did it in 55. Coach T came and did it in 42. Harmony came and did it in 13. Now, PromoSTK, Sheila, and Frank, Talk Like a Marriage, are going to try to do the belch. You can't. What are you doing it now?
I couldn't help it. See that? It came out though. I couldn't help it.
Okay.
No, I wasn't playing it.
We're going to go ahead and start it because he already started belching.
No.
Okay. On the mark, set, go. Ooh, God.
That's 3.
I can't belch.
Oh, damn.
How you belch on camera?
Put air in your mouth.
Breathe in, and then put air, and then it'll lock you the air inside your throat, and then burp it out.
Boy, you had me dead.
Darn, Frank.
What?
Keep doing it. That's right. Rudy, my baby on.
Shut your mouth. You don't never help me. Now, them actually belt now.
Well, do it. Keep doing it. Keep doing it.
I counted 18.
Whoa.
Charlotte, you need to start doing something, honey.
I don't know how to belt on command.
God, dog.
I can't do that.
18.
Wow.
I did 18. How many you
That's
did?
a PromoSTK, Sheila, and Frank. I like that. Yeah, 55.
55.
55.
Keisha did 42.
Yeah.
Harvey did 14.
All right, so you guys are out there. Just it's all about support. Whether you can belch, like I can't belch on command, or you cannot. Do it. Just shout it out.
I had some help, y'all. I ain't gonna tell you what.
MyKing and Harmony. Bye, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe and come part of Yeah, Baby today.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl, Sheila and Frank. Come on over and check out our channel, PromoSTK Reality TV, Husband and Wife, where we eat good in the neighborhood. We're a mukbang eating show, cooking and recipes, especially soul food, pranks on Frank. Oh, y'all go check it out. Challenges, vlogs, comedy skits, short videos, and TikTok. So come on and become our oh yeah baby today. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram, PromoSTK, or you can also go to any of our social sites and find us under PromoSTK. Oh yeah baby. We can't wait to see you. We can't wait to meet you. So come on over